Broadcasting is when you send messages to a large number of people at the same time. It's suitable for informing news, promotion, or anything that you want to broadcast. The message you send will be broadcasted to customers who have been interacting your inbox within last 24 hours. Let's get started. First of all, you need to choose the page that you want to set up and then click Manage. And after that, you go to Broadcast menu on the left side. Once you click, you will see this page and then you click the green button Broadcast and then you choose the page. There's the caution that you can only broadcast message to user who send message to your messages after installing Kaojao chatbot. Okay, so now you already choose the page and this is the message that you want to send to the customers. So I will inform customers that I have a new items coming soon. New item coming soon. Stay tuned. Like this. Okay. You also can attach the image as well if you have. And then you can choose whether you want to broadcast now or send it and time. So I choose to broadcast now. So I click save. As you see, this is the notification from broadcasting. This is my messengers, and this broadcast message is sent from Funny Shop.